Hey everyone, it's Renee from Sweet Pea Labs here giving you a preview of the free continents matching game that's available in my store right now. Here's what you're going to get. We're supposed to limit our free products to 10 pages. So you'll get these two files that are PDFs. One would include the free printable matching pieces. I've included this as a PDF and you can print this front to back and that will create your pages or your pieces. So we've got a polka dot pattern that creates the back of the card. And then you can see here I've got the shapes of the continents in different colors and then some of the continent words as well. And we've got another back of the page and the other pieces too. So more continent names, a couple different shapes that go along with continents and traveling. And then I've repeated that again because of course you're matching, so you need 2 of each. So I believe that's 48 game pieces altogether in this PDF. I've included some suggestions and directions, including reminding you to print this document as a 2-sided document. It's best on cardstock. And if you can use cardstock and laminate it, then your pieces are going to last a pretty long time. If you store those pieces in a little container, a little plastic container, or even baggies, that will help you keep those pieces longer too. I've also included, along with this, just matching game directions cards. So there are obviously 4 different cards right here giving some very simple directions on how to actually play the game. It's best to sort of show the class all together at one time exactly how the game works. The kids know. I'm sure they've played memory before. So same concept there, but we're using continents instead. So I hope you enjoy that product. Check it out. It's free. Download it. Take care.